Hello students, this is interactive reading section. Let's begin with that. Interactive reading is an adaptive reading question with small 6 and connected task. So you can see here the passage can create like 5 sections. Complete the sentences, complete the passage, highlight the answer, identify the idea, title the passage, and we will now look at each of these. Complete the sentences, first one. So the task shows the first half of the reading passage with some words missing. Test takers choose the best word. So here is a passage for you, right? Just you have to select your right answer. The passage has 3 to 10 blanks maximum, right? The time limit is really low. So you can have this and you can take a look at here and you read the full sentence before choosing a word. Use context clues, guess the best word. If you are not sure, try to choice in the sentence and see what looks right. Pay attention to the grammar. For example, if the blank comes for a noun, it may need an adjective, right? So check the tense and proofread after the submission of the all answers, right? And the next task is really important as well. Select the best sentence to complete the passage. So guys, here is a passage and you have to connect with one sentence, right? So check it out that which one is a combination of these two passages and you have to select which one is right. So please pay close attention to the sentences before to click after the blank to find most logical connections, right? So sometimes it's look like easy one, difficult one, but make sure that if an option uses pronouns like he or it, check if the person or thing it refers to it's already mentioned. So highlight the answer. This task, you have to check that which one you have to highlight the text in the passage and please choose your answer. The passage is full shown including the missing sentence from the complete the passage. So guys, this one is really important one, right? And make sure that before you select the highlight, you have to read your questions, right? Look at the keyword from the questions. Highlight only words that answer the question, not full sentences unless needed, right? So make sure that you have to select 2 words, 3 words or full line, right? But it's depend upon your question. So please read carefully. And then is identify the idea. So this task check you that you can understand the idea of the text, right? And how it works we have mentioned here. So you have to select the best idea is expressed in the passage. So it's not title of the passage. You have to select just only the idea, right? The final section is for title the passage. So this checks that test taker can choose a good title for the text. So here are the options for you. So guys, only one title is correct. Answers are scored as right or wrong, right? So make sure that read carefully. Tips here for test takers. Read all the answers carefully. Some answers may seem correct but only match to the perfect one. But make sure that you have to make sense like which one is the title for this passage, right? So look for words, phrases repeated in the passage. This can show what the text is really about. So you can have a look again and again like which words repeating continuously. Avoid choice answers that only talk about small details, right? So here is your interactive reading section. I hope so you understand all the tips and tricks, right? And now we will move on to the practice session. Have a look.